Show yourself. It's evening time. Nobody's been walking around in this room. Everything has been very quiet all day. Anyone want to come through in here? You can go ahead and show yourself. Come on in. Move fast. I know it'll only be a second or two. Hello, hello. Anybody want to come say hi? Well, hello. Where did you go? Anybody else? There you are. Hello, hello, hello. Amazing confirmation. Now nobody's been in this room. There's no dust jumping around. So let's send out a big light so everyone can say, yep, there's no denying that. Thank you for showing yourself. Is there anyone else who wants to show themselves? Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, well, I'm going to end on that note. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God's light, God's love, and peace, love, joy, and abundance to all. And it looks like we've had some fast friends heading out there to do their work. Have a great evening.